Now this is going to be the most important and concept building videos of my channel, because before starting out any of the health conditions, female related problem, I just want to make sure my audience is crystal clear about the fundamentals of female reproduction. So let's get started. For our understanding, let's take a girl named Neha. Neha is just born and she's perfectly healthy female child. For next 10 to 13 years, Neha's developmental milestones are going to be very similar to any boy of her age. But the real twist comes between the age of 8 to 13, because it is a pubertal age for the girls. In this period, child turn out into an adult. Pubertal changes are at the physical level and backed up by hormonal mechanism. I've already made a full video on puberty and pubertal changes in girls. You can go watch it on my channel. In pubertal age, a female starts menstruating, that is, she started its periods, and the secondary sexual characters start to appear. To understand menstruation well, let's see some organs involved in it and what are their functions. First, the uterus is involved. The uterus is also known as womb. It is a pyriform shaped organ, and when female is pregnant, uterus grows in size and hold the baby. The second important organ is ovaries. Ovaries releases the egg, and the same egg is going to meet the sperm and form a new baby. The third important part is fallopian tube. It is just a traveling or connecting part between ovaries and uterus. Now, for females, the monthly menstrual cycle can vary from day 21 to 35. Majoritarily, average menstrual cycle is of 28 days. Let's bring back our example Neha. She has started her monthly periods, and considering her menstrual cycle ideally of 28 days, from day 1 to day 5 the uterus is bleeding and we called it as menstrual phase. From day 5 to day 14, uterus lining is start to rebuild. On day 14 there is ovulation, that is egg get released from the ovaries and travel to the uterus. From day 15 to day 28, it is called as a luteal phase, where uterine lining continues to grow. After 28 days, one menstrual cycle is completed and new menstrual cycles start from again day 1 and females start menstruating again. This is what happened behind the normal menstruation. But what if the ovum which is released on day 14 is get fertilized by a sperm? Now in this case, the occurrence of event from day 14 would completely change. Wondering how? Let's see. From day 1 to day 14, everything is going to be the normal. On day 14, there is ovulation, that is release of egg from ovaries. If this released egg got fertilized by a sperm and the further processes like implantation goes well, we said the female is pregnant. Do you remember what I've said about menstruation? That it happens only if the egg doesn't get fertilized. But here our egg is fertilized and it need uterus with its blood lining to get implanted, so the further pregnancy get continued. So in this video I have completed normal menstruation and normal pregnancies physiological processes. I have not covered the hormonal mechanism behind it because it will be very lengthy video. So this is the very basic video about pregnancy and menstruation that I think everyone should know. And if you like this video, do watch my other videos, and if you have any queries related to this topic, feel free to ask me in comment section. And bye.